Russian president meets Bollywood biggies to strengthen cultural ties. Russian President Dmitry Medvedev visited a film studio in Mumbai on Wednesday and mingled with the Bollywood fraternity to strengthen cultural ties between the two countries through cinema. Medvedev said that people of his country have been long-standing fans of Indian movies and stressed the need to cement Indo-Russian ties further by working together closely in the field of cinema.
Well, the things that I have seen now are quite interesting works. They are originally Indian on the one hand, and on the other hand they are quite international. The way you danced now looked very interesting and fascinating. It seems to me that it's the topic that brings our countries together. The love for Indian cinema.
Meanwhile, Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan further pushed the point made by music director Amit Trivedi that there should be more distributors to distribute Indian films in Russia.
का लॉजिक ये था कि चैनल्स खुल जाए, उस तरह की कोई एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म हो जाए जहाँ पर यू कैन डिस्कस विद मोर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स एंड हैव एक्सेस टू मोर रशियन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स फॉर इंडियन फिल्म्स. आई थिंक उनका कहने का मतलब ये था, क्योंकि अभी हम चाहते हैं जब इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल्स में तो फिर जैसा वो कह रहे थे कि सिर्फ 5-6 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं और हमारे को इतनी चॉइस नहीं मिलती कि हम उसको पूरी तरह एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकें जैसे 70s या 80s में किया जाता है.
Khan added that Indian cinema could be just as popular in Russia right now as it was in the past, adding that India just needed a platform. Medvedev also said that Russia had a 24-hour television channel dedicated to Indian movies, which is very popular. Various other Bollywood celebrities like producer-director Mahesh Bhatt and producer-director Yash Chopra were also present during President's visit. Purnima with Divya for ANI.